एक सिर्फ था और एक लड़का जो दुनिया जीतना चाहता था. Mic on, camera rolling. Game begins. छोटे से रूम में बड़े थे ड्रीम्स. लगता था impossible but nothing's what it seems. कीबोर्ड की आवाज, मॉनिटर की लाइट, हर sleepless night turned into a fight. Minecraft की दुनिया, ब्लॉक से एम्पायर, हर वीडियो के साथ fans got higher. Zero से start, अब millions का fleet, हर challenge के सामने never accept defeat. जब दुनिया बोली ये मुश्किल है, उसने बोला watch me win. Fleet, fleet, hear the crowd scream loud. Silent rooms to make in India proud. Chanting के scene में बना elite. This is the rise of Fleet. Vamu echoes in the sky. Dreamers never say goodbye. Every fall made him complete. This is the story of GamerFleet. Streams but laughter, stories and grind, creating a legacy, one of a kind. Not just a gamer, enslaved youth. Hard work, passion, that's the truth. Hard new creator, go Eki beat. Believe in yourself and own your seat. From one PC to millions of hearts, legends aren't born, they're built from starts. Fleet, fleet.